I'll be demonstrating the compact grill made with a mild steel 3 mm gauge. This is how it looks when it is fully set up. Ideal when you are camping with 3 or 4 people. This is the dimension of the compact grill. You can pause and see the dimensions. This is Vinay, EarthCamper, Bangalore. Compact grill comes with a heavy duty tarpaulin bag. I'm using a bigger bag just for demonstration, but in actual this compact grill comes with a adequate smaller bag. Includes industrial grade pair of gloves and 5 skewers. 2 nuts and bolts are provided to hold all the pieces together. The nuts are butterfly nuts. Remove those to separate all the pieces and separate the pieces. Then take the 2 side pieces and take the center piece and assemble it like this. Then assemble another side piece. Take the bottom plate and assemble it like this. This is the top plate of the grill. Place it like this. The 2 nuts and bolts can be placed like this so that you don't lose them. Now the grill is assembled. Two handles are provided to lift the top grill. Five skewers are provided. You assemble and use the grill. This is just to demonstrate the strength of the grill. Please do not try, you may get injured. Once the grill cools off, clean it, and this is how you disassemble and pack it. If you like the camping grill, please use the phone number on the screen to order. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Thank you. I'll be featuring more camping equipments, so subscribe for the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.